Health preservation has always been a focal point for people. Who does not want to be healthy and live longer? With the continuous advancement and development of science and technology, our understanding of physical health has become increasingly profound. In recent years, an exciting research finding has shown that thoughts have an even more powerful influence than we imagined. This research discovered that thoughts can directly affect our physical health and even instantly alter our physiological functions and disease conditions. Research confirms that physical health preservation is a lower-level type of health maintenance and often yields poor results. True high-level health preservation is achieved through mental health. Many people find mental health preservation mysterious and elusive. In fact, it has always been present in our lives. It's just that people don't pay special attention to it regularly. Let's explore what mental health preservation is and how to practice it to prevent and treat diseases and enhance longevity. 1. Thoughts influence health. Thoughts change the vibration frequency of particles in the body. Dr. David Hawkins, a well-known American scientist and physician, conducted numerous experiments and studies on the relationship between thoughts and health in the United States. He found that thoughts play a crucial role in human health. It is a comprehensive and high-level form of health preservation. He has treated many patients from around the world. Human thoughts at different stages can generate different vibration frequencies. In other words, the stronger a person's thoughts, the higher their vibration frequency and the healthier their body. Conversely, weaker thoughts result in lower frequencies and poorer health. The vibration frequency, often referred to as the magnetic field, is critical. Dr. Hawkins has conducted millions of case studies globally, and the results are consistent. A vibration frequency around 200 is a watershed. If the frequency is below 200, the person will be ill. Above 200, there is no illness. A frequency above 200 usually corresponds to traits like caring for others, compassion, love, doing good deeds, tolerance, and gentleness. These are high-frequency vibrations, often reaching 400 to 500. On the contrary, those who are prone to anger, blame, resentment, jealousy, and selfishness, and rarely consider others' feelings, have very low vibration frequencies, below 200. These low frequencies are also a cause of diseases such as cancer and heart disease. People with frequencies below 200 are prone to various illnesses, regardless of how well they eat or how well they take care of themselves. On the other hand, those with a frequency above 200 generally do not fall ill. Their aging can follow natural laws and even be slightly delayed. In other words, to maintain health, one must keep their mental frequency above 200 and strengthen their thoughts. From a medical perspective, thoughts are truly incredible. Thoughts have a significant impact on health. An optimistic attitude, more positive thoughts, and a loving heart are essential factors for good health. 2. How thoughts affect health. Thoughts are influenced by brain waves that generate mental magnetic fields. The state of magnetic field energy determines the body's health condition. Scientific research has found that the brain produces 4 types of brain waves. When you are stressed, your brain produces beta waves. When you feel drowsy, the brain waves become alpha waves. Upon entering deep sleep, they turn into theta waves. When your body relaxes and your brain is active with constant inspiration, it produces delta brain waves. Electric fields and magnetic fields always accompany each other. Once a mental magnetic field is formed, it runs within our body but more so surrounds us. Although this magnetic field is invisible and intangible, its energy is very powerful and deeply affects physical health. Energy medicine is a natural therapy without drugs, focusing on energy rather than matter. In energy medicine, the life force is centered around energy. In everyday life, we often encounter situations where a severely ill patient's recovery depends on their will to survive, even when all medical treatments have been exhausted. In such cases, the will to survive is a form of thought, triggering magnetic field energy. Some people die shortly after being diagnosed with cancer. This is because they collapse mentally, not physically. Cancer is actually a chronic disease that does not immediately cause death. However, once the spirit collapses, it creates severe negative thoughts. The thought frequency drops below 200, magnetic field energy diminishes, leading to rapid deterioration of the condition and eventual death. Japanese psychiatrist Dr. Fukuda, diagnosed with lung cancer, decided to use positive mental methods to fight for survival after initial suffering. In his book, Surviving Cancer in 1 Month, he describes walking on a path he loves, imagining crushing cancer cells with each step. He said that by continuously practicing this method daily, his imagination became clearer. Images of cancer cells being crushed and gradually disappearing appeared in his mind. After a month, the 3 to 5 centimeters tumor vanished. Although thoughts can treat diseases, not everyone can make their thoughts so powerful. As traditional Chinese medicine says, preventing disease is better than curing it. Not getting sick is the best state of health. 3. Methods to strengthen your thoughts. How can we strengthen our thoughts to achieve health and longevity? The human body is like a small universe, with a powerful ability for self-repair, self-healing, self-adaptation, self-awareness, and self-redemption. 1. Maintain a positive attitude. In daily life, minimize negative emotions. Negative emotions generate negative thoughts. For example, someone who is very healthy but always believes they have a problem or a minor illness, thinking it could be cancer, will eventually face issues due to these negative thoughts and psychological suggestions. People who frequently doubt, complain, blame, and hate others often generate negative thoughts, lowering vibration frequencies and affecting health. Those with a negative emotional state are more prone to illness and generally have shorter lifespans. Their thought frequencies are often below 200. Therefore, we must manage our emotions well, maintain an open mind, a cheerful disposition, and handle matters generously. Always stay positive, emotionally stable, and determined with confidence. This will keep thought frequencies above 200, leading to stronger thoughts and better health. 2. Cultivate more compassion. If controlling emotions keeps thought frequencies above 200, being more compassionate can raise thought frequencies even higher. In daily life, we experience joy after genuinely doing something good. This joy releases beneficial hormones, making the body healthier. 3. Ensure high-quality sleep. The principle is simple. When you lack sleep, you feel lethargic and unable to focus, making it difficult to maintain strong thoughts. Therefore, ensure adequate sleep time daily. Generally, an adult needs around 8 hours of sleep per day. Besides sufficient time, quality is also essential. To assess sleep quality, consider 2 factors: how quickly you fall asleep and whether you wake up during the night. You might use a sleep mask to block light and relieve eye fatigue, which helps you fall asleep faster. Many people struggle with sleep issues, including insomnia. It's helpful to drink a warm glass of milk half an hour before bed. Milk is beneficial for health, providing rich nutrition and containing tryptophan, which promotes the release of sleep-enhancing substances and improves sleep quality. 4. Maintain adequate nutrient supply. While physical health is a lower-level form of health preservation, it is the foundation of overall health. Therefore, provide your body with sufficient energy. From a health perspective, being about 10% above the normal weight is ideal. This condition ensures the body has enough energy to combat diseases. 5. Use thoughts to improve health and combat diseases. 1. When you are ill, focus on how to become healthy, not on how to treat the illness. Wanting not to be sick and wanting to be healthy may seem similar, but they are different. Focusing on how to be healthy will lead to quicker recovery. If you constantly think about which medicine can cure your illness, worry about losing health, or focus on how bad your illness is, you will always be troubled by the disease. The disease's energy will be attracted to your thoughts, creating a vicious cycle with increasingly lower thought frequencies and magnetic field energy. 2. Thoughts can also affect pain perception. When you concentrate or focus on something, your perception of pain decreases. This is because the brain releases endorphins and other endogenous painkillers, which reduce pain perception. Conversely, when a person feels fear or anxiety, pain perception becomes more intense due to the release of adrenaline, making pain feel more acute. 3. Thoughts can influence the immune system's function. Research shows that when people face threats or stress, the immune system's function decreases. However, when people face challenges and stress with optimism and positivity, the immune system's function improves. This is due to the release of stimulants like catecholamines and norepinephrine, which boost immune system activity. 4. The impact of thoughts on blood pressure and heart rate cannot be ignored. When a person is under pressure, adrenaline and norepinephrine are released, leading to increased blood pressure and heart rate. Concentrating on deep breathing or relaxation exercises stimulates the parasympathetic nervous system, which lowers blood pressure and heart rate, achieving a relaxed and comfortable state. 5. Thoughts also significantly affect sleep quality and function. Research indicates that breathing exercises and muscle relaxation before sleep can improve sleep quality. Further studies show that some yoga and meditation practices enhance the stability of the nervous system during sleep. Therefore, your thoughts influence your health. When you feel unwell, try calming your mind and purifying your thoughts. Your body might gradually become healthier. Alright, that concludes our discussion today. Thank you for watching. I hope today's content resonates with you. For those who haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to click subscribe so we can accompany you daily. Let's grow together, find happiness together, and age gracefully together. See you next time.